It's not going to focus. Okay, green to red. Now then, this is the saga of the strings video. Now then, if you're new to this series, it's a bit daft really, but it's just basically, it's a set of acoustic guitar strings that are, must be a year, 2 years old, something like that. And I'm just playing them until they absolutely, I don't know, absolutely just finish, but they're just keeping on going and going and going. It's unbelievable. Now I've just taken it off the hook and I haven't tuned it. So it may not sound perfect. Obviously they're not going to sound like a new set of strings. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bash some chords of a recent video I did, Graffiti on the Train by the Stereophonics. I did the the subtle intro, but what I'm going to do in this video is just bash chords. So I'm only going to play the 3 chords. There is actually 4, but bear in mind, like I say, these strings are years old, but you got to bear in mind that. So they're just, I don't know, they're just keeping on going and going. So that's the latest video, Saga of the Strings. They're just, when are they gonna pack in on me?